So I'm here with
Terry.
Tariq.
Yeah, so I work here at the water park. It's nice, it's interesting. You can come here with your family, with your friends, relax, have a nice time. We got the lazy river here. We just start down and the end down there, you grab a tube, you just hop in and you come around. Takes you right around because it has like jets in the river, so it makes it like an actual river. You don't have to do nothing, you just sit back, relax, and it's very relaxing, it's comfortable. We have the 3 slides. We have a blue slide, a gray slide, and an orange slide. The orange would be always the fastest slide because it has a drop, so you automatically pick up speed once you hit the drop. The brown one, it can be sometimes faster than the orange slide. And the blue one is like if you want to have a nice, relaxing, calm ride and what's not. And then we have the pool, we have the bar, you get your drinks, we have food, everything. You can just come over, come on down, have a great time, enjoy yourself, and you know, relax.
Just call this a people mover, so I basically move people from location to location, whether they want to dine at either end of the resort, at the ship table or breezes or sea level, which is the restaurants on the beaches, or if they want to come here to the water park and have some fun, or entertainment park because there's a water section. Then you have a sports center where you play tennis, you could do rock climbing, pickleball, all sorts of stuff.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah, then you also had the amphitheater where they do like concerts and comedy. Let's take your gyro so you can see a little bit more. This is the amphitheater up here. So they have a schedule, basically they have like performances, comedies, movie nights. Yeah. Yesterday there was like a fair, like a market fair at that location.
Wow.
And then you have tennis courts, miniature golf. And then you pass the professional golf course on the way down.
If you haven't been to Anguilla yet, guys, get here as fast as possible.
There's the sports center, we register and everything. And right up here is the water park. It's your destination, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See ya, guys. I'm walking in now. And check it out. What's up? What's up? So here's a food truck. I'm about to jump on this big thing now. You check it out. Super excited to try this thing, dog. I'm telling you. Today is the first day I'm testing my GoPro underwater.
My name is Richardson,
And the blue slide technically is fast for some people, but it usually slow also. It all depends on the type of clothing you have on, or if you don't have on a shirt, weight, that type of thing. The orange one, some people say is the fastest. All depends. Same thing as the blue, but it also has a slope at the end, which it, drops you off. And the tan one is also fast. What it does is it loops you around, like on the beach or something. It just whip you around. And this specific design is, well, technically just a design, really. But as you can see, you goes on the outside of the loop, and the same thing for here. It comes out on this far end. We recommend that all guests hold their hands like this, lap their feet, and keep their head back for safety measures. It's to ensure that everybody enjoys the ride and have a safe trip down.
Yes, my first attempt. Woo! Yeah, man. I got this thing. Woo! Lifeguard, rest up.
My name is Crispin, lifeguard at the entertainment park, Anguilla. So please, everybody welcome to come and enjoy anytime, any given moment. We are always here to save you, make you feel safe at all times, all times. Be here, always ready for anything.
First ride was amazing. Although I could have go super faster, but I wearing jeans. I forget my swim trunks in St. Martins, and I ain't going in the pool in a jockey. But you gotta come and try, because it's super fun. As you can see, there's a lot of people out here, a lot of families out here, a lot of kids, a lot of grown-ups. Everybody's here. Yeah, why? It's slow down on my jeans.
Well, I did say it all depends on what you have on.
Yeah. About to try the gray slide. Woo! Yo, this one fast, boy. Gray one mad. Woo!
I'm one lifeguard at Aurora. Certified, come on down. Have a wonderful day. Open to 9 to 5 all day. Enjoy the slides, the lazy river, the bar. Yeah, bring your friends, bring your kids. Have fun.
Lifeguard partner was able to bring me one of these, you know what I mean? What you call it? I ain't know, I chilling right now, you dig? So we trot into the pool on a relaxed vibes, huh? Kaboom! What's your name? Rick. Steve.
Day person.
Me too as well.
Oh yeah? Yeah, it's fun. Heard about it. Thought we'd give it a try. My son needed something to do, and glad we came. Very relaxed.
Yes indeed. Chill vibes.
Yo, we gonna make
Woo! Woo! fire. That's the shit I reach.
Welcome to Anguilla Water Park here at Aurora. My name is Gracie and I will be your server. What I do here at the bar, most of my is just like mixed drinks and daiquiri. It's about daiquiri, pina colada, Miami vibes, passion fruit. The most drink that I sell here is this strawberry daiquiri. Strawberry daiquiris and pina colada.
The number one drink here.
Rum punch.
Rum punch.
Yes, the rum punch can get wrong with a rum punch.
So I know when I come at the water park at Aurora, you have to try the number one drink, which is a rum punch.
Rum punch, yes.
Get it from her.
Sorry?
You get it from her. Ask for her. She'll make out your rum
Gracie.
punch. Gracie.
Thank you.
Boom bam, I'm back. Changed my clothes, getting ready to bus off. But I'm here with, state your name?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel, and he's one of the lifeguards here at the Aurora Water Park. I'm gonna leave him take it over and tell her you are going on, alright?
So he was telling me about coming to the water park. Sorry I can't look exactly at the camera, I have to keep scanning the water as a part of my job. But he was wondering more about the water park. The water park is not only the water park, it has a game room which has different games. It has PS5, virtual reality, Nintendo Switch, and it has different games like ping pong, pool, it has foosball, you name it. Everything is in the game room. And then apart from the game room, there's outdoors. It has tennis, pickleball, basketball, volleyball, netball, rock climbing, and sorry, not netball, rock climbing and bocce. So when you come to the water park, you pay one price and you do everything.
How is your experience working here so far?
Always good. No bad days.
I can imagine, because today was my first time and I had super fun.
Trust me, I know.
Alright, so we're gonna check you later. Keep up the great works. Signing off.